We interrupt this broadcast at the request of the Metro Water Works to bring you the following message. The public water supply has been contaminated with a powerful laxative. At this time, it is unknown who did this, but officials stress that this is a very crappy situation. The chemical is able to bypass all filter systems, and has caused a dire shortage of toilet paper as well as stressed the sewage system almost to the breaking point. Coffee and tea drinkers who do not have access to bottled water supplies to make their brew are especially at risk, and health officials are urging all who drink those beverages to contact the health department immediately for safe water supplies. If you have made any kind of soup, stew, or beverage using tap water, you are instructed to pour it out immediately. Public Works officials hope to have the entire system flushed and safe to use again in the next 24 hours. This is the emergency alert system, and I really hope this gets all those drink water loons to shut the heck up.